everyone, I'm going to teach you how to cook special Nigerian Ofada rice. I'll show you every step so you can impress with this iconic dish. Let's start the journey. Stay to the end of this video so you don't miss any step. First, we wash the rice to remove excess starch. Be gentle, don't crush the grains, just rub softly between your fingers. After washing our rice, we move to the next step where we pour inside our pot and add water, let go. Now, we add the rice carefully with both hands. Pour it slowly so the grains stay intact. Perfect! Now we're ready to add water and cook. Bring it to a janty government oil for about 10 minutes until it's half cooked. This helps preserve the grains and flavor. Let wait for our to boil before we stir it. Once parboiled, drain the rice carefully to remove excess water. Make sure your pot is clean before transferring the rice for the final cooking step. Now we cook the rice properly. Add fresh water, a little palm oil if you like, and cover the pot. Let's wait for some minutes before moving to the next step as our rice is cooking. After cooking, gently fluff the rice with a fork. This helps separate the grains and gives it that signature Ofada texture. After this, we go to the next step of this amazing recipe. Before we toast the rice, we need to heat our palm oil properly. Allow the oil to warm gently. You want it overripe. You want it hot enough to release that rich traditional aroma. Now, we carefully add the cooked Ofada rice into the pan. Perfect. After this, we move to the next step. For extra flavor, we can lightly toast the rice in palm oil. This gives a nutty aroma and enhances the traditional taste. After wait, we serve our rice. Finally, plate your rice beautifully and add a touch of garnish for color. Presentation is just as important as taste. It makes your dish look irresistible. And there you have it, perfectly cooked Nigerian Ofada rice. Remember, wash well, cook patiently, and toast for extra flavor. You can see how fluffy and beautiful the grains look. This is the result of patience and proper technique.